It is finally time to open the special package, the Potomac Beads Treasure Edition subscription box. You can order this monthly, so you don't have to get it as a subscription. You can get it one time if you want. You can also get it quarterly, annually. And this month, it looks like we have a Violet Meadow treasure box. And right on top, there is some violet going on. Let me take it all out and we'll get a close look. A lot to look at this month. That's exciting. Let's see what we have. Oh, and my favorite lavender pearls. This isn't everything, but I've laid out most of it. We also have some charms and some more things. We're going to go over all of it. All right, this Bead Tech laser cut wood form did not fit on the bead mat. It's a flower bookmark. You can go ahead and paint in these flowers. It does have a protective coating on it. You peel this off and then you're left with a beautiful wood form that you can add beads to up here. They're really sweet to work with. Look at that. Very nice. I think this is amazing. You get a full spool, 15 meters, 50 feet of this Bead Tech knotting cord in this beautiful beige color. This would go a long way. You can use it for so many different things. Just think about that bookmark that was included. Or look at the pearls. You just have choices. That's nice. And there's some Athena cast charms. Go ahead and pop these out for you. They do have some weight to them. Of course, you can tell they're a peace symbol. A little thicker on the edge. They have a nice feel about them. So these are definitely cute little charms. One side smoother than the other. There were a package of 6 check mint leaf beads. They're almost a little translucent, like a frosted glass. And these are Potomac Crystal Rose Montes. The size is a SS20. And the color is called Colorless Sphinx. You can see it picking up purples, a little yellow there, and the blues. And on the back of them, you can sew through it in both directions, allowing for multiple design ideas. And they included a pack of 24. We have the daintiest little bead caps I've seen in a long time. They're a 4mm antique brass bead cap by Athena Cast. They're just so cute. And these are Potomac Crystal 3mm round. And I can't say enough about the wonderful uniform shape and sparkle on these amethyst AB crystals. I've had them before, and these are just really nice ones. And there's some check glass cathedral beads. They're a 7mm size bead. They look like the prairie green color almost. It's not put on the information list, but they're really beautiful and go well with everything in this box. And we have some 6mm check heart beads. The color is Ruby Vega. They're just a dynamic little bead. And a pack of 20 was included. Here we're looking at the check drop beads. These are white blue luster, one of my favorite colors. They always remind me of sort of a time and water-worn copper look. There's a pack of 25. And this giant pile of beads over here are the round duo beads. They're a 5mm 2-hole bead. And this is turquoise Picasso. I wouldn't be surprised if there were at least 100. There's a strand of check glass rondelle beads. They're a 5x8. Beautiful. And I absolutely love the Potomac Crystal Pearls and Lavender. They're such a pretty, pretty color. And let's talk about the Azuki Seed Bead Collection. This is a collection of size 11 seed beads, definitely with a lavender theme. It's nice that it's packaged all together. I have been using some of the Azuki beads and I do like them quite a bit. Some of the colors have this almost inside luminous glow about them, and then other ones are just very opaque. I've noticed that they're very uniform in size. And if you like the colors of the Azuki seed beads, you definitely wouldn't be disappointed in purchasing them and trying them out. And let's check out this big strand of these check tile beads. They're very cool. You might have a project in mind for these. I don't do much bead stringing. I'm not sure what I'll do with them, but I think they're amazing. I love the color. And one more final thing to look at. We have these fire agates. They're a 3mm faceted round in this mixed color, whites and greens, some neutrals. It's going to blend in with everything else. So pretty. I really can't believe how much stuff was included this month. This Violet Meadow collection really seemed quite inspired. I hope that you enjoyed checking it out with me. And don't forget, in the video description, there's a link over to the PotomacBeads website where you can check out this wonderful treasure box for yourself. And as always, I hope you have a beautiful day.